I'm undercover. I'm
Voilà, aussi tu peux voir là-bas qu'ils sont en train de récolter. Donc on va aller voir ça.
I'm under the covers. I'm undercover. I'm, I'm an undercover tea hunter, and I'm under the covers. This is a premium organic yabukita, which is covered in a certain kind of shelf type structure, but not with higher shelves like you see in Kyoto and other regions. But this is a tunnel made with little arches. And so now I'm hiding under the covers. So this is another way of shading. You have a direct covering where the covers are applied directly on top of the leaf, but this might harm or damage some of the leaf. And you have a higher up shelf structure. But this is an in-between with poles like these. So these poles, they support the covers, and on top of it are the covers that are spread out, and so they don't really touch the bushes, but they basically shut out the sunlight in the same way as a shelf type structure would do. But you don't have to have a permanent structure, so you can set it up with these poles.